Hello everyone, I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. And first of all, happy Holi to everyone. Okay friend, so I hope you're doing great and learning this language great way. So friend, in this video I am going to talking about how we learn this language alone at home. We don't have facility and we don't have sufficient time to go other town and we join coaching classes. We live in our home, so how we learn this language? So in this video I'm talking about in this topic. So without further delay, let's get into the video. First of all, don't think that I am alone and I am learn this language at alone, but it's not my hand, okay, because it's not my cup of tea. This language is very tough. When we are beginner at that time, we think lot about this language, okay. In this time there is no need to join any coaching classes. If you learn this language, so there is no need, but if you preparing for some exam, so you can go there. But if you learn this language, suppose how you learn your native language. Think, first you listen, then you start speaking. So many people tell that you doing practice every single day. If we not understand this language, so how we do practice? Because no one speak this language, so at that time it's very difficult to learn this language. First of all, you forget all the kind of thing. Start reading, writing, speaking and listening English content, okay. If you do such thing, so this journey is very easy for you. We learn this language quick way, okay. Because if we not do, we forget something, okay. If you follow, like you listening every single day, but you are not doing three type of rule, you are not follow, so how we learn this language? Because every single rule is very important to learn this language, okay. So first of all, you start listening so much English content, okay. When you are beginner at that time, you are not understand this language, but don't stress, okay. Because if you stress your mind, so you feel demotivated and then we think that I'm quit this journey. So first of all, you think that why should I learn this language? And if your why should be clear, so you learn this language easily, okay. And first of all, understand that this is a language and I'm learn this like a language, so this journey is very easy. Don't take seriously, okay. If you take seriously, so we are forget so many things. If you suppose you listen so many English content, but you think that I am not learn this language. First of all, you understand, if your mind is positive, so nothing impossible. We can do whatever we do in our life. So tell yourself that I can do it, I'm learn this language. Whatever you do in your life, always think that I am doing this and I can do it whatever happened, because it's my goal and I am only one to fulfill this. No one force me to learn this language. It's my decision to learn this language, okay. If you think like this, so this slowly you learn this language, okay. Goal is clear, so you learn this language very easy way, okay friend. And whatever you learn, you try to remember, okay, again and again. If you watch some kind of video, so again and again watch, so whatever you watch, the sentence structure is stuck in your mind, that how to make sentences, okay. And reading is also very important. Read as much as you can. I am suppose that everyone have English book and you learn English book every single day. Don't think that I am learn so many page. Don't do this. Learn 2 page again and again. Every day learn 2 page, okay. If you learn like this, So you understand, if you learn repeating more, so you understand that what is the meaning of this sentence. Because we are, at that time we are beginner, we are not aware of this language. Okay, why I'm telling you again and again? Because we are doing this kind of mistake. I'm also, when I was beginner at that time, I do so many mistake in this language because I'm not aware of this language. No one tell me that you follow this rule, that rule, like this. But slowly I am watch so many video, and then I understand that what is the correct strategy to learn this language. Okay, so many people, there is different kind of opinion, but if you learn this language, so you follow four pillar of this language, so you get phone. So this is a good thing for you that learn this language, because our mobile phone help us lot if you use your mobile phone in a good way. Okay, so try to learn this language. Whatever you watch in English. Okay, if you think that how I learn this language alone at home, because in my area no one speak this language, and when I speak this language people laugh at me. So how I learn this language? If you think like this, so it's not good thing for you, because it's your loss if you think like this. I'm also tell you that positive mind need this language. Okay, if you have positive mind, so whatever your goal is, that you learn easily. Okay, so if you cross some level, so at that time you don't need to think like this. But if you are beginner, at that time we are nervous to speak this language. We think that if I am speak, so what people think about me. But when time pass, you understand meaning of this language. When you learn this language, what is the benefit of this language? At that time you not think lot, because it's English, and if you speak this language, so what is the bad thing? It's a good thing, you are doing good thing. Okay, so don't think about lot, don't think. Okay, first of all you understand that you learn this language. Think that I don't have partner, don't think that in my area no one speak this language. I don't have in my area so much facility to I'm going there and I'm attend classes. Okay, and my financial condition is not good. So it's a language, so don't follow those rule, don't think lot. You learn this language, so first of all you start listening as much as you can. Okay, and if you have much time, so it's a good thing. But if you work somewhere and you don't have much time, so you do like 30 minutes in a day, it's sufficient to learn this language. But listen as much as you can, and sometime after some month after you learn this language automatically. When we are beginner, at that time we start our journey, so at that time everyone think that this journey is very like tough. How I learn this language? Because other people they speak very good English, but I'm not speak good. Before start we think like this, so think that it is good. No my friend, before doing anything, how you can think like this? So don't think like this, and learn like a language. So you definitely speak this language, get fluency. Sometime after, this language takes time, I'm agree with that point. Okay, so if you have patience, so you definitely learn this language. Okay friend, so I hope you guys like this video. If you, then please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.